Hello, we are going to talk about mutations today. A mutation is an error that occurs when the DNA gets replicated, and this is going to become part of the genotype. Now, not all mutations are harmful. They do allow for genetic variation that exists, so it's not always a bad thing. One example of a mutation is called a point mutation. That means that it occurs at one base pair on the DNA, at one single point. There could be a base addition where we add in an extra base, or it could be a base deletion when we accidentally remove a base. Non-disjunction occurs when the cell is in meiosis and you have your homologs lined up at the middle. Okay, in anaphase 1, the homologs, I'm sorry, I'm a little out of room, should pull apart. Okay, if there's an error in that and we don't pull apart, two types of gametes can form. One can have an extra copy, which would be trisomy, or the other gamete that could form would lack the chromosome, which is called monosomy. Okay, so if we don't have the correct number of chromosomes, we're called aneuploidy. So these are offspring with abnormal chromosome numbers. So here is a case of trisomy where we have 3 chromosomes in this position. This is downsomy, which is trisomy 21. We have 3 chromosomes in that position. Turner syndrome is a case of monosomy when we're missing the X or the Y. Polyploidy is when organisms have extra sets of chromosomes. Bananas, for instance, have 3 chromosomes at each position, which is called triploidy. Wheat, strawberries, potatoes have 4 chromosomes at each position, which is called tetraploidy. And you can see here there are 3 chromosomes in each of the locations. Deletion means a piece of the chromosome has been broken off. Well, if it's broken off, it cannot be passed on. So that piece of genetic information is lost forever. Okay, just to kind of review the different types of non-disjunction, these are genetic disorders that we will be talking about. Down syndrome is called trisomy 21 because it has 3 chromosomes at the 21st position. Klinefelter's is XXY, which is a male, okay, but it has an extra X, so it's very feminine. Okay, we'll have breasts, higher pitch voice. Turner syndrome is a case of monosomy, and we write this XO because they are missing the X or the Y. They are female, okay, because they don't have the Y to mean they have a penis, but they are very manly in characteristics. Okay, chromosomal aberrations are pieces of chromosomes that can be lost or exchanged between non-homologs. This tends to occur as we increase exposure to harmful carcinogens that will damage the DNA. Inversions are pieces of the chromosomes are broken and then they become resealed in the reverse order, and that actually can form a malignant tumor, which is bad to be cancerous. Translocation is when all or a piece of one chromosome becomes attached to a non-homolog, and again this also can increase the rate of cancer. If you have any questions, see me tomorrow. Thanks.